Hello everyone, and welcome to the AI Education Platform Usage Guide series. The topic of this session, brief introduction. In this training, we will give you an overview of the AI Education Platform as a whole. The AI Education Platform supports multiple languages, including Chinese, English, and Korean. You can quickly switch between different language versions of the platform by clicking the Language button in the upper right corner. First, log in to the platform using your account and password. The platform's function navigation is divided into 5 main sections. Let's take a look at the first one, My Desktop. My Desktop provides quick access shortcuts that allow you to jump directly to corresponding feature pages with just one click. For example, AI Assistant, Begin a Lesson, Prepare for Lesson, Class Management, and Task Management. In addition, it also displays the teacher's teaching records, where you can view all the lessons you've taught under your account and easily resume or replay a class with one click. The third section offers quick access to the programming tools, UCode and UPython. Lastly, there is a shortcut to the AI Training Center. In summary, My Desktop serves as a centralized hub of frequently used functions, allowing teachers to quickly access the tools and pages they use most often, with just a single click. Next, the second function in the navigation is Curriculum Resources. Clicking on it will take you to the Curriculum Resources platform, where teachers can access UBTECH's official course materials all in one place. You can quickly find the resources you need through the classification system. By clicking on any course cover, you can access the digital teaching resources. On this platform, you can also go through the entire teaching process, from lesson preparation to actual teaching. For specific instructions on how to use these features, you can refer to the video titled, About How to Have a Class. The third section is the AI Training Center. We fully understand that when preparing and teaching AI courses, teachers often face challenges when it comes to explaining complex technical concepts. To better support teachers, UBTECH has developed more than 15 interactive mini-games that cover the application of various technologies, such as visual recognition, speech recognition, and machine learning. These games have been integrated into the curriculum. When teaching related topics in class, teachers can open the corresponding interactive game. Through these games, students can intuitively and quickly grasp technical concepts. Next, I will demonstrate one of these games, the plate recognition game. Through this game, students can learn how machines see and recognize license plates. The license plate recognition activity takes students through 3 steps: locating the license plate, adjusting the license plate orientation, and matching the numbers, allowing them to experience how machine vision identifies a license plate. After the interaction, students will also be guided to summarize together the key knowledge points covered in the game, which helps reinforce their understanding. Finally, the game also supports independent practice for students. These interactive games turn what could be dry or complex technical content into something much more simple, intuitive, and easy to understand. The fourth section is the Learning Analytics Center. This is a data hub that records both teachers' teaching data and students' learning data in real time. The first part is Learning Data. Here you can view data for an individual student or for the entire class. You can select a class, choose a date range, and immediately see the relevant data. It includes information such as lesson progress, attendance, and students' project work. Additionally, you can filter the data type by selecting Students. Then choose the specific class and the name of the student you want to view, allowing you to directly access that individual student's learning data. The second part is learning reports. After a student completes each coursebook, they will receive a personalized learning report. This report includes details such as the learning content covered in that book, the student's class participation and performance, their AI literacy skills, and learning suggestions to help improve further. You can click Download to download the learning report. The fifth section is the Teacher's Development Center. This section is designed specifically for teachers. Here, teachers can learn how to use various learning kits and teaching methods through video tutorials. First, you can select the learning kit series you need to use. For example, if you choose You Got and click on its cover, you'll see that we have provided 8 training videos for this product. These include how to use the hardware, how to use the programming tools, as well as sample lesson demonstrations for both elementary and secondary school levels. Through these training videos, teachers can quickly get familiar with how to use the product and how to teach the related lessons. It is highly recommended that teachers who are using UBTECH products for the first time take the training available in the Teacher's Development Center. That concludes the overall introduction to the AI education platform. For details on specific features, please feel free to explore our other training videos. Thank you for watching.